Citi Diamond Preferred Credit Card Review in 2025. Is it worth getting or should you leave it behind? Make sure to like and subscribe. The Citi Diamond Preferred Card is best for its long 0% intro period in 2025. It offers 0% APR for up to 21 months on balance transfers, making it one of the longest in the market. On the plus side, it has no annual fee, which makes it a safe choice for people looking to consolidate debt without extra cost. The card also provides access to city entertainment perks like pre-sale tickets. However, it lacks cashback or reward, which put it behind other cards if you're looking for everyday value. It's not ideal for frequent spenders, but works well for balance management. In terms of fees, balance transfer do come with 3 to 5% fee, and standard APR after the intro period can be high if you carry balances. The verdict is, if your goal is to pay off debt within a long 0% APR window, Citi Diamond Preferred is worth. But if you're looking for rewards or travel benefits, you won't mind to leave it behind for a cashback or travel card. Now, you can decide if the Citi Diamond Preferred card is the right for your wallet. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.